Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic AC compressor. First, ensure your vehicle's air conditioning system is not cooling effectively, which often indicates a compressor issue. You will need a few key tools, including a serpentine belt tool, a vacuum pump, and a manifold gauge set. This process typically takes about 2 to 3 hours for an experienced dyer, saving you hundreds of dollars in labor costs. Before starting any work, prioritize safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from refrigerant and sharp edges. The first critical step is to safely discharge the refrigerant from your AC system. This requires specialized equipment. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to eliminate any electrical hazards during the repair process. Now, let's remove the old compressor. Begin by locating the serpentine belt and using a tensioner tool to release its tension, allowing you to remove it from the compressor pulley. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector and the 2 refrigerant lines attached to the compressor. Finally, unbolt the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the compressor to the engine block, then gently remove the old unit. With the old compressor out, it's time for the new one. Install the new AC compressor, ensuring all mounting bolts are securely tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the electrical connector and the 2 refrigerant lines, always using new O-rings to prevent leaks. Finally, evacuate the system for at least 30 minutes to remove moisture, then recharge it with the precise amount of refrigerant, typically around 22 ounces.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.